Hi, Beth and Jess here for Wine and Define. Today we're going to talk about what are the different support options that your attorney might ask for on your behalf once you file for divorce. Typically, most of my clients, their first question in our initial consultation is, what will my alimony obligation be? Or what will my child support obligation be? Or what will I receive in alimony? What will I receive in child support? So today, Beth is going to discuss alimony and child support and tell us how is it relevant to your case.
Okay, the two methods of support represent very different areas in the life of a litigant. The alimony obligation is between two spouses, and it's based upon the need of the dependent spouse and the ability to pay of the spouse who is earning the money. In order to figure what the alimony obligation will be, it's necessary to get some discovery about what each of the parties earns. We'll need pay stubs, we'll need tax returns. Sometimes, in order to compute that, we need to know what other kind of benefits the non-dependent spouse is earning. Oftentimes, there are components to income that are not your straight salary: stock options, restricted stock units, actual stock units, bonuses that are guaranteed, bonuses that are non-guaranteed. All of those ways of earning income are relevant and appropriate in determining an alimony and a child support obligation. Once we have the components that go into the income, alimony is usually figured out by looking at the difference between the income of the earning party and the income of the party who is either not earning or earning less money.
And how about child support? How is that calculated?
Child support is most often calculated by a data entry input program that we all know and call the Child Support Guidelines. Basically, the program, which we all have as attorneys and all of the judges have the program as well, requires us to put in gross incomes for the party, if there's going to be alimony from one party to the other, who will take the children as dependents, what is the cost of health insurance for the children, and on top of that, there might be work-related child care so that someone is able to work and earn an income. All of those numbers are inserted or input into the computer program, and the program defines what child support will be.
So call us so we can help you with more of these questions. Delana and Bosch, holding your hand when you need it most, before, during, and after divorce. 973-377-2066. Thanks.